Welcome. This video provides an overview of how to use GTdesigner by Glastender. When you first access GTdesigner, you are presented with the welcome screen. From here, you can watch this overview video, start a design from scratch, or you can start a design by selecting a predefined underbar or backbar layout. We'll start by creating a design from scratch. In the sidebar on the left, there are two tabs, Underbar and Refrigeration. Clicking on the tabs will take you to a directory of available models within each category. Let's insert a blender station by clicking on it in the sidebar. You will see it load immediately into the viewing area, and the sidebar will change to show its available configuration options. The yellow box around the model signifies that it is selected and it is the model being configured. Any changes to the configuration are immediately rendered on the screen. To exit model configuration, click on a blank space in the viewing area or select the Done button in the sidebar. The model in the viewing area is fully active and has full 360-degree viewing capability. To interact with it, use the left mouse button to rotate, the right mouse button to pan, and the scroll wheel to zoom. The toolbar at the top of the viewing area allows you to perform various actions. The home button takes you to the home view of the lineup. The backward arrow will undo a change. The forward arrow will redo a change. The 2D button toggles between 3D view and 2D plan view. The double-ended arrow toggles dimension visibility. The camera takes a screenshot of the design as it is on the screen. And the switch to bar die button toggles between bar die and legs as mounting options. To add another model, simply select one from the sidebar. It will be placed to the right of the last model, and the model configuration sidebar will open automatically. Alternatively, you can select a model in the viewing area, and then when clicking on a model in the sidebar, you will have the option to replace the current model with the new model, place the new model before or after the selected model, append the new model to the end of the lineup, or cancel the action altogether. With a model selected, the toolbar at the top of the viewing area changes. The arrows allow you to move the selected model left or right in the lineup. The gear opens the sidebar configuration panel for the selected model. The copy button inserts an exact duplicate of the selected model, and the trash can deletes the selected model from the lineup. The buttons along the bottom of the viewing area allow you to open a previously saved design, save the current design, print an equipment list for the design, submit the design to Glastender for more information, or reset the design by returning to the welcome screen. We will now return to the welcome screen by clicking on the Reset button. Instead of starting a design from scratch, the available predefined layouts allow you to quickly begin a design with a fully configured lineup. Select one of the example lineups by clicking the Select button, and it will load into the viewing area. The interface is exactly the same as starting from scratch. You can move, add, delete, and reconfigure any of the models. That pretty much covers all of the basics. We hope you found this overview helpful, and we look forward to seeing your designs come to life.